Let's do it. I take 100% responsibility for whatever I am feeling right now. Even if I am feeling little anger, frustration, sad feeling about whatever is happening right now, but I am responsible for my feeling. The situation, the people, no one is responsible. Because whatever is my emotional pattern, I am feeling that. Whether it's this type of situation or any other situation, it's nothing to do with the situation. It's about what I want to feel. And that's why I'm feeling this. I take 100% responsibility for all my emotions right now. I take 100% responsibility for creating this situation in my life. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. I'm sorry, universe, for creating and attracting this situation in my life. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for all the humanity. Even though something happening which is not as per our desired wish, but we have the choice whether we want to concentrate in this crime or we can concentrate on the so many good things happening around the world. Right now, I choose to concentrate on this topic, which is giving me again and again negative emotions and reducing my frequency. I'm so sorry for reducing my frequency. Even though I know that my reduced frequency is not going to help the situation, the people, or even me. I can't help anyone else, neither anyone else nor me, with this reduced frequency. I can only attract more negative situation with my reduced frequency. Thank you so much for making me realize that I love you. I love you, universe, for creating this beautiful environment. I know sometimes we feel sad, angry, frustrated for many things in and around us, but I am taking 100% responsibility for my feeling. No one else is responsible. Take a deep breath. Again, do it. I take 100% responsibility for whomever I blame, complained, for whomever I judged, for whatever reason I am feeling angry or frustrated or having fear. I have chosen these negative emotions in my life right now. So if I have created these emotions in my body, I can release it. Take a deep breath and release all the negative emotions. Do it again. Whatever negative emotions you are feeling, say the name and say, dear, say that negative emotion and say, dear frustration, dear anger, dear sadness, I'm so sorry for blaming you and the situation for coming into my life right now. I know it's nothing to do with you or the situation. It's my decision how to feel. I have took that decision and I have started feeling it. Please forgive me. Thank you so much. I love you. I love myself. And as I love myself, so I promise I'll not reduce my frequency. Because I can't help anyone with my reduced frequency. I can't even help myself with my reduced frequency. Thank you so much for making me realize this. A deep breath. Release all your negative emotions. Breathe again. Whatever negative emotions right now I'm feeling, wherever it is stuck in my body and mind, emotionally or physically, intentionally or unintentionally, am I ready to release it? Say yes. Take a deep breath. Release all the negative emotions. Breathe again. Whatever negative emotions I am feeling right now, wherever it is stuck in my body and mind, emotionally or physically, intentionally or unintentionally, wherever it gets stuck, do I need to release it or I shall keep it? I need to release it right now. Take a deep breath. Release. Again. Whatever negative emotions I am feeling right now, for whatever may be the reason, wherever it gets stuck, when will I release it? Right now. Deep breath. Feel that whatever negative emotions you are feeling, it is going out from your body right now. Do the double tapping here. All the anger I'm feeling right now, I'm ready to release. All the frustration I'm feeling right now, I'm ready to release. All the blame I'm feeling right now, I'm ready to release. All the complaint I'm making, intentionally or unintentionally, consciously or unconsciously, I am ready to release. Whatever fear I am feeling, consciously or unconsciously, for all of our life, our security, our safety, I am ready to release. All the sadness I'm feeling right now for that girl, for her family, for all the past events like that, I'm ready to release. I'm sorry, universe, for not keeping my frequency up in this situation. Please forgive me. Thank you so much for giving this wonderful technique so that I can heal myself anytime I want. I love you, universe, for all your power and for all your magic which you are creating in this life. I know whatever is happening for a reason. I need not to know the reason. I can only be responsible for my feeling, my belief, and my action. Let's not discuss other people, their action, their feeling, and their belief. I am taking 100% responsibility for all my feeling, my belief, and my actions. I promise I'll keep my frequency up, whatever may be the situation. Deep breath. Release all the negative emotions. Feel that you are protected in a white, positive light. Visualize that we all are protected, and whatever is happening for a reason. As a very, very small understanding, limited understanding, we may not accept sometimes all the thing what is happening, but it is happening for a reason. So let's not reduce our frequency. Let's control our emotions, and whatever is, everyone will be taken care of. Thank you so much. Rub your palm. Put all the healing energy all over your body. Now you can slowly open your eyes and you can feel if there is any changes in your negative emotion.